Hello, my friends. My name is Sunny, and welcome back to Fluent English, the podcast. Let me ask you something, a quick question. Do you spend 5 hours brushing your teeth just once a year? Of course not. You brush them every single day just for a short while, maybe 2 minutes, but you do it again and again and again. Learning English works the same way. You don't have to sit down and study for 5 straight hours in one day. It's far better to study a little bit each day. That's exactly what consistent practice is about. Let me explain. Consistent means you repeat something regularly every single day. Not only when you're in the mood, you do it often, you make it a habit. That's what being consistent means. So, in today's episode, I'll show you how daily practice, this steady, consistent effort, can completely transform the way you speak English. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, why is daily practice, this kind of consistency, so important? Here's reason number 1. Your brain learns through repetition. That means doing the same activity over and over. When you hear a sentence many times, your brain remembers it. Second, practice makes things automatic. In the beginning, speaking English feels slow. You pause, you think, you translate. But when you practice every day, your mouth learns the patterns. You speak faster. You feel more relaxed, right? Third, you build confidence. It means you start believing in yourself. You're no longer afraid to try. Daily English practice helps your confidence grow step by step. So remember, a little every day is much better than a large amount once in a while. This is the power of consistency, and it's how you begin to truly change your English, not in a single day, but in small steps every single day. As I've said before, even just 10 to 15 minutes daily can help you progress. But you might ask, okay, Sunny, what can I actually do in those 15 minutes? Let me give you 5 simple options. You can choose one or more if you feel like it. First, listen to English. This is very important. Play a short podcast or audio made for learners. It could be a short story, a brief talk, or a simple conversation. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen and try to catch a few words. You can listen while walking, cleaning, or making tea. Second, shadow a short sentence. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and speak it at the same time, like an echo. You copy the speaker exactly. We have several episodes on this channel made for shadowing. It helps with pronunciation, speaking flow, and rhythm. Start small. For example, I'm going to the shop. Say it with me. I'm going to the shop. Great. Repeat it with the speaker again and again until it feels natural. Third, read a short story or news article. Pick something simple. Just one story or one news piece. Read slowly. If you see a new word, try to guess the meaning first. If it's hard, check the dictionary. But don't stop too often. Enjoy the process. Reading introduces you to new words and sentence structures. Fourth, write one short paragraph in English. You don't need to write a lot. 3 to 5 sentences is enough. Write about your day. What did I do today? Or write your plans. What will I do tomorrow? This helps with grammar and vocabulary, and it trains your brain to express ideas in English. For example, today I went to the park, I met my friend, we had coffee, the weather was sunny. Finally, talk to yourself in English. Yes, out loud. You can do it at home. No one needs to hear you. Simply describe what you're doing. I'm making breakfast. I'm putting on my shoes. I'm going to work. This gets you thinking in English and feeling comfortable speaking it. Now, after you practice for one day, listen to a podcast, read a short story, write a few sentences. Do you instantly speak like a native? Number. But something small happens. You might learn one new word or understand one sentence better. It's a tiny step, but it's still progress. After 1 week of daily practice, you've kept going for 7 days straight. You listened, you read, you wrote, you spoke, and your brain is already more comfortable with English. You start remembering more and translating less. Step by step, you guess meanings correctly more often. Sometimes you'll be wrong, and that's okay. After 1 month, English starts to feel familiar. You know more words, you speak a bit faster, and you don't rely on the dictionary all the time. In the beginning, you felt shy, afraid of mistakes, but every time you speak or write, you get stronger. You think, I can do this. I'm learning. I'm not perfect, but I'm improving. That's real confidence. It grows slowly, just like a plant. So here are some simple tips to help you stay consistent. First, use a calendar or checklist. Make a simple chart with days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and write what you practiced each day. When you see your progress, you'll feel proud and motivated. Second, set a timer for 10 or 15 minutes. We often think, I have no time today, but you do have 10 minutes. Set a timer, tell yourself, I'll practice for just 10 minutes. When the timer rings, stop, or keep going if you feel good. Third, choose the same time every day. Make English part of your routine, morning, evening, on the train, or during a walk. Doing it at the same time each day turns it into a habit, just like brushing your teeth. Lastly, make practice easy and enjoyable. Pick topics you like. If you enjoy cooking, read a recipe in English. If you love travel, watch a short travel video. If you're into music, sing along to an English song. Keep your tools ready. Save a podcast, have a story open. Keep your notebook nearby. When everything is easy to find, starting becomes effortless. Consistency is like planting a tree. You water it daily. At first, you see no big changes, but one day you look and it has grown strong. You've got this. Keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. I'm Sunny, and this is Fluent English, the podcast. Bye for now.